Place the mushrooms to soak in water. Cut the celeriac in 1 cm thick slices and place them to steam for 20 minutes until tender. Cut the mushrooms in small pieces. Meanwhile, prepare the lentils. Add 2 tablespoons of oil to a pan and when hot, fry onions, carrots, celery for 5 minutes. Add lentils, bay, and wine. Cook for 4 minutes and then add mushrooms and their water. Leave to simmer for 25 minutes. Make the topping sauce, adding to a blender the pistacchio, capers, garlic, rosemary and reducing to a cream. Season with salt, pepper and lemon juice and mix. Now fry the steaks in a bit of hot oil for 5 minutes per side until golden brown. Finish them with salt and pepper and serve them on a bed of lentils and top up with pistachio sauce. Enjoy!